Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your GMC Envoy without a key. First, consider using a slim jim or a wedge tool to carefully pry open the door frame slightly. This creates a small gap. Next, a straightened coat hanger can be inserted to hook the interior locking mechanism. For older models with a manual lock post, a shoelace with a slip knot can be maneuvered over the post and pulled up to unlock the door. These methods require patience and a gentle touch. For a more controlled approach, an inflatable wedge can be used to create a wider, safer gap in the door frame, minimizing potential damage. Once a gap is established, a long reach tool, often found in professional lockout kits, can be inserted to press the interior unlock button or pull a handle. Additionally, if your GMC Envoy is a newer model, you might be able to use a manufacturer-provided smartphone app for remote unlocking, offering a convenient digital solution. When attempting to unlock your vehicle, always prioritize safety and preventing damage. Avoid using excessive force, as this can bend the door frame, chip paint, or harm the weather stripping. Be especially careful not to damage any electrical wiring or components within the door panel. If a child or pet is locked inside, do not attempt these methods yourself. Immediately call emergency services for professional assistance. Your safety and your vehicle's integrity are paramount. If you're uncomfortable with DIY methods or they prove unsuccessful, it's best to call a professional. A certified locksmith has specialized tools and expertise to unlock your GMC Envoy quickly and without causing any damage. Roadside assistance services, like AAA, are also excellent resources and can often help you regain entry. Remember, these professionals are equipped to handle various lockout situations efficiently, and for making meal prep a breeze. Check out the link in the description for these fantastic leak-proof containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.